Okay, probably let's start. Let me share my screen. So hopefully you can see my screen right now. So first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Anna. So I'm working as a project manager more than 10 years, and I'm working as a product manager more than 10 years. Today I want to share some experience. I want to share some thoughts about data, about AI usage, about trends, and hopefully it will be useful for some of you. So let's go to our agenda. So today we will talk about the new data landscape, key trends for 2025, innovation spotlight, strategic imperatives, and at the end we will talk about a little bit about conclusion and key takeaways. And as always, if you will have any questions, so I will be glad to answer on them, and if you will have them a little bit later, so I will share our company email, and please feel free to reach our marketing department, so we will try to answer on all of your questions. So let's start. The new data landscape beyond descriptive analytics. So I really like this first sentence, that data is no longer just a record of the past. It is a strategic asset for predicting the future and prescribing action. So previously, how we used data. We used data for analytics, and we tried to understand what happened. And right now, using the modern ways of analytics, using AI, we are trying not only to understand what happened, but we're trying to understand what is likely to happen and what should be done there. So our company has a really good experience with data analytics and AI tools. So I'm working on one of such projects that helps businesses to predict some situation, to predict some risks, some churn risks. And we are doing this using data. For example, we can analyze customer engagements, and based on these engagements during for some period, for example 30, 60, 90 days, we will see the number of customers that can be in a high risks for churn. So that is why it's really important to start using data to understand not only what happened at this moment in the past, but for prediction of future situation, to pay attention for risky factors for customers in a risk zone. So, and AI tools right now, it's a really good solution to do this. So what does descriptive analytics do? Descriptive analytics focus on summarizing and interpreting historical data to provide a comprehensive understanding of past events, patterns, and trends. So it's working in such a way so you can analyze, for example, again, engagements. You can see the patterns, for example, in past, what actions predicts before users will not sign again contract with you. And for the future, you can build your strategy, what should be done, how to work with users, how to make them more satisfied with your product, what should be improved, and so on. So let's go to trends. Trend first, it's AI driven automation. So what should be done? If you can automate data that you have, it's really good solution, and you need to do it. So AI models can clean, transform, and normalize data, reducing manual effort. And it means, for example, when you have a long meeting, so right now almost all providers, not HubSpot, sorry, Zoom, for example, Teams, Google Hangouts, all of them, they have transcripts of meeting. So you can ask AI to make a transcription. You can ask to get some summary. You can ask for some actions that should be done after this meeting. And in such a way, you can clearly understand what needs to be done after this meeting. And it will be much faster and productive, because you won't need to spend time to watch the video again after this meeting, and so on and so on. So the next is AutoML platforms that automatically build, train, and train machine learning models, improving business users. So it's a really useful thing. So, and automated report generation, AI can summarize complex data insights into clear reports. So on our project, we are using AI to generate reports to understand business needs of customers, to understand their pain points, to understand for example, when we need to ask them to buy new types of products if we have, or upgrade their licenses, and so on. So use case, predictive maintenance, and manufacturing automate customer segmentation. So it's a really good example. So using AI, you can segment your customers. You can understand their needs. You can provide them perfect products. You can provide them, or you can build new products using this data. And it's really simple. You need to teach your AI how to use this data, and you need to teach your staff how to read this data. So trend number 2, generative AI and analytics. So we will soon talk about to our data. Generative AI makes data accessible to everyone through natural language. So I think every one of us right now using ChatGPT, so you know how to create prompts. And right now, the main concern here, how to properly create a prompt, and how correctly ask AI and get correct data. Here, I want to mention that you need always to double check everything that AI provides you. One of my suggestion right now, you can ask AI to provide you the source, for example, where AI got information that provided to you. So for example, use case here is a marketing manager asking what were our top selling products in Europe last quarter. So you can get this information, but you will require to double check it. So trend 3. So future is not about separate dashboards. So if you were on our previous webinar, I talked about that it's really important to teach all of your staff to work with data, first of all. And you need to make sure that all departments that currently working on a product, they are informed about what is going on in other departments, because it's really important for the more deeply analytics and understanding what's going on with your product, because right now we have a situation that different departments, they have different parts of data, they have different parts of data that they analyze. For example, sales and marketing, they can analyze sales. They can say that sales decreased, increased, when, where, and so on. The IT department, for example, we can see that some features are in use and they are really popular, and some of them is not. We can see the number of customer issues that we are getting from our support department, and we do understand that it impacts our sales, but our sales is not informed about some buggy things inside the platform, and they are not sure why our sales decreased. So, and when we have the full picture from different departments, and we put them in one place, and we're getting automated report, we can see the full picture, and it helps us to make more productive actions, how to support, how to maintain, how to provide better service for our customers. So, for example, use case here, a sales team receiving real-time alerts on which customer are most likely to churn. So, in our current project, we are using such system of alerts. And if we see that some of customers in risky zone, so our sales team or CSAM team, they are informed and they know that they need to pay attention to this customer. And also we can analyze risk factors and build strategy to one or another customer. And this strategy can be different based on the data. So, trend 4, the human-centric AI agenda. Like I previously said, right now it's about responsibility and your reputation, guys. So you need to make sure that you are using really secured AI providers. So that your data are secured, that you're totally sure that you're, for example, following all GDPR regulations. And it's really critical trend. So for AI strategy, to make sure that everything's secured. And here you need to pay attention to your staff again, to teach them how to use AI, what AI tools can be used on your product, what can be used, what kind of data can be shared with AI for analytics, what data can be shared, and so on. So the next one. Innovation spotlights the data fabric and mesh. So here you can see two architecture approaches that solving a problem of fragmented data that I told previously. So data fabric, a unified intelligent layer that connects all data sources regardless of location, providing a single view. So I already talked about this, and data mesh. So why they matter? They enable faster, more agile access to data for all teams. It's really important. So right now, for example, for different sort of users, we're using the different types of alerts. So, and in such a way, based on the type of permissions that you have, you will get your alerts related to your part of work. But for example, business owner or a product owner or a CTO, these amazing people, they will be aware about everything that going on under the project or product, and they will have the full picture for the next steps and make decisions. So the next one. So strategic imperative, your roadmap for 2025. First of all, I think you need to invest in more than data infrastructure. Unfortunately, right now, not all businesses are ready for these investments. I have a lot of cases when customers continue thinking like I don't know, build the AI strategy not based on a modern technologies, not on AI tools, not on LLM agents, and they continue using AI like it was 2 or 3 years ago. So you're creating the prompts, you're getting some data, you can teach your AI how to analyze and get more correct data. But right now, based on the answers, you can automate something inside your system. For example, you're on a meeting with a customer. This customer in the risk zone. Customer is frustrating because of your product. Something is not working. After this meeting, you will get a transcription of the meeting. And using AI, you can ask to create, for example, a task in Jira and assign developer to this task and resolve the issues that customer is getting. So, yeah, it's always important to invest in modern data infrastructure. So that can be easily analyzed by AI tools. So build a culture. So as I already said, it's always important to explain every employee in your company, started from developer, it doesn't mean who it will be, developer, HR department, marketing, sales, that everything is changing right now. Everyone will be using AI tools, and you will required to start using it, and you need to understand how to use it, what is okay, what is not okay, what data can be shared, what can't be shared, and uh, how to share this data between departments. So, and establish a robust governance framework. So, define clear policies for data quality, security, and ethical UI usages from day one. So it's really important. If you're using, for example, AI like tech support, like we do, so you need to inform your users, for example, that they are talking with robot. So the next one. So main conclusions and takeaways. The future belongs to organizations that treat data not as a resource, but as the most valuable asset. So the data right now is the most important thing that you can have on your project. So, and you need to learn how to work with it, how to automate it, how to make sure that you're getting data from different departments, and so again, to see the full picture about what is going on. So, and I think that's it. The last one, it's a Q&A. I will stop sharing my screen, and probably if you have any questions, please, you can ask them in chat. We are actively using AI tools right now. We were the first started using ChatGPT 3 years ago. After that, we switched to AWS Bedrock, then switched after that back again to ChatGPT. So, and it helped a lot to analyze and better understand what's business needs for this moment. Okay. If we don't have any questions, I think you have emails of our company and phone number, so don't be strangers. Please feel free to ask the questions, so we will be happy to answer and help to build something cool if you need. So thank you so much, and see you guys. Bye.